Welcome back to another episode of Becca's Easy Eats. I am your simple home cook in training. Today, we are making the classic comfort food mac and cheese, using 3 different cheeses.
Hello my dear friends, I'm Becca. Welcome to my kitchen as we make something very special today.
Screenshot this recipe or copy from the description section below.
You can use elbow macaroni or salad macaroni for this dish, whichever you prefer. For the 3 cheese, we are using sharp cheddar cheese, Gouda cheese, and Parmesan cheese.
Chop the parsley. Cut the bacon. In a pot of salted boiling water, cook the macaroni according to the package instruction. Set aside. With a bit of butter, cook the bacon until slightly brown and set aside.
Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on.
In the same pan, whisk in the flour and cook until slightly brown. Pour in the milk and heavy cream. Stir constantly until the mixture thickens. Season with salt, pepper and garlic powder. Tip in the mustard. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the grated sharp cheddar, Gouda, and Parmesan cheeses until melted and smooth. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until well combined. In a pan, lightly toss the panko breadcrumbs in melted butter. Add paprika and chopped parsley. Pour the macaroni and cheese into a baking dish. Sprinkle the panko mixture evenly and top with cooked bacon. Bake the macaroni and cheese for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden and crispy.
have it, my friends. Macaroni baked in 3 kinds of cheeses. Make it today. Happy cooking!